Hello, my name is Nahid. Today I will show you my server-side tracking setup. Let's preview. Click here. After clicking, there is my subdomain. Click here. It's connecting. Just wait a moment. Okay. Here you can see here. So this is my demo website. This is the demo product, and I will do Facebook Metapixel conversion API server-side tracking e-commerce. Okay, let's click here or here. Okay, let's click here. Look, here you can see. So new page pop up here, 20% off, view item. Here you can see view item. Scroll down. Let's click here, make it two item. Okay, click add to cart. Okay, firing. Here you can see add to cart. I have select two quantity 160. Let's view cart. Okay, there is no any action like view cart. Just click here. After clicking here you can see from start scrolling. Okay, everything is showing fine. Clicking this, you can see two quantity, $20 discount, one item 80 and two item 160. Okay, proceed to checkout. Let's click here. Okay, here you can see begin checkout. See, here you can see begin checkout, initial, first name, last name, country, address, city. Okay, everything is here, phone number, email, everything is here. Okay, everything is all right. Now click here, purchase, order now. After that, thank you page. Okay, order is completed. Now you can see here add to cart, initial checkout, add payment information, tag manager, add to cart, page view, begin checkout, purchase event. Okay, here is purchase, everything is here. The most important thing is here you can see data layer. You can click here. After clicking here you can see URL, then you can see product value, USDT, first name, last name, addresses, postal code, email address, phone number. Also you can see discount, item name also here. Okay, here is a discount, single product price 80, two quantity, and here is the value 160. Okay, everything is clear. We'll go event manager. Here is firing page view, also deduplication. Okay, purchase, click here. Here is your link. Here is your value. Okay, 20% discount. Product name is here. Look, here is product name, but you can't see your customer name, email address from here. Okay, this is privacy issue from Facebook Meta. Okay, initial checkout from here. Okay, everything is clear, everything is great. Now I have to show you something more important. Here you can see the domain. Wait a minute. Hey, yes, allow list. Okay, traffic. Here you can see the domain and subdomain already active. Okay, also okay, here is a domain verification option. Look, here is verified. If you work with me, I can also verify your domain. Everything is clear. I was showing everything from here. Also you can see the analytics. Here is also firing every single thing I have. You can see also here scrolling. Most interesting thing, purchase page view, engagement, everything is here. So data layer, here you can see everything, every single thing is here. Okay, also you can see the cash on delivery or complete order, everything will firing here. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching my portfolio demo. If you need professional tracking setup, feel free to contact me.